Okay guys, now we do passage 3. So first of all, let's read the title. What's the title? This marvelous invention. And we don't know what invention is that. Okay, they're talking about language. So it means this third passage is going to be about language. Okay, this marvelous invention. The first question type that we have here is list of headings. Okay, so list of headings, you can do it in the beginning or you can do it at the end. Next, questions 33 to 36, we have complete the summary using the list of words. So we call it summary completion. 33 to 36. This question type is also being repeated. And the last 4 questions 37 to 40, they are yes, no, not given. So in yes, no, not given also, questions and passage, they are in order. In summary completion, questions and passage, they are in order. And in list of headings, they are not going to be in order. So choice is yours. You can start from 37 to 40, or you can do from 33 to 36 and all that. Okay. Now, let's take a start. We do it from 37 to 40, and I'm going to locate where you can find these answers. Okay, and I'll give you 5 minutes to do it on your own, and then we will do it together. Anyways, please note it down. For 37, question number 37, answer is in paragraph A. For 38, answer is in paragraph B. For 39, answer is in paragraph E, E for elephant. And for question number 40, answer is in paragraph F. Okay, now I give you 5 minutes to do it all. Okay guys, may I have your attention please? Question number 37. What is the answer? No, very good. The right answer is no. Now I'll tell you why and where. Question number 37. Human beings might have achieved their present position without language. Right? If we have achieved our present position without language, English, French, Spanish, German, Italian, then it is yes. So if we achieve, without language, then it is yes. If it is because of language, then it is no. Now please come to first paragraph. Second last line. Without language, we could never have embarked on our ascent to unparalleled power over all other animals. So without language, we could never do it. It means we did it with language. So the answer is human being might have achieved their present position without language. No, it's with language. So the word without, whenever it appears in true, false, not given or yes, no, not given, you have to check whether it is with or without. Okay? Answer is no. Question number 38. Port Royal grammarians did justice to the nature of language. Now, if they did justice, insaf kiya, then it is yes. If they did not do justice, then it is no. And if they don't tell us, then it is not given. What is the answer? Yes. Okay. Now, let's go on. Second paragraph, guys. French grammarians Port Royal. Found it in the middle. I'm reading it now. This was how in 1660 the renowned French grammarians of the Port Royal Abbey near Versailles distilled the essence of language, and no one since has celebrated more eloquently the magnitude of its achievement. Means they did justice. No one has ever done that. किसी और ने कभी ऐसा नहीं किया. So question is, Port Royal grammarian did justice. No one ever done that means they actually did justice. So the answer is yes. Underline कर लें, sentence वहाँ का यहाँ का घर जाके match कीजिएगा. You will find the answer. Question number 39. Complex idea can be explained more clearly in a sentence than in a single word. Complex idea can be explained more clearly in a sentence than in a single word. For this, please come to paragraph E. The Turkish word. Found it? Now let's read it. They talk about it here. The Turkish word, and the word is very long, I cannot read it. To take one example, means nothing less than you are one of those whom we can't turn into a town dweller. In case you were wondering, this monstrosity really is one word, not merely many different words squashed together. Most of its components cannot even stand up. Now this is the information, and now you decide. Complex idea can be explained more clearly in a sentence than in a word. Have they mentioned anything about it? No. So the answer is going to be not given. For this, not given. This very fact, try to check it again. Complex idea can be expressed or explained more clearly in a sentence than in a word. The comparison of sentence and word is not given. Okay? Question number 40. The Sumerians were responsible for starting the recording of events. Recording of events means to write them down. Sumerians. The clue word is Sumerians. Paragraph F. Found it? I'm reading it from first line. And if that sounds like someone off freak, then consider Sumerian. That's your clue word. The language spoken on the banks of Euphrates some 5,000 years ago by people who invented writing and thus enabled the documentation of history. Documentation of history means started the recording of events. So the answer is yes, absolutely. Okay, comparatively easier. पहले मैंने ऐनक नहीं लगाई हुई थी ना इसलिए